Hey guys, how you doing today? It's Busy Broke. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that is very important to the average uni student and that I feel isn't really explained fully to you guys. Budgeting. If you haven't watched my previous video on the matter, please go watch that first where I give you some tips on how to spend your maintenance loan, as it fits quite nicely with the advice I'm about to give in this video. Now, of course, I'm not the best budgeter in the world, but I feel like I'm really good at not overspending, which I guess is the essence of budgeting in the first place. With this video, I hope to show you guys how I personally budget and provide you guys with like a spreadsheet template of how you can do it too. This is a spreadsheet that I use to track all my personal spendings and some other stuff like net worth and like how you should allocate your student maintenance loan, etc. So what does my spreadsheet look like? This is what I use to track my spending. Of course, in the future, I want to update and add like more features to this spreadsheet, like tracking your spending from month to month and week to week, so that you can compare and see whether you're spending more or less over a period of time. So please follow me on Twitter to get these updates. There should be a link for my Twitter down below. Following me on Twitter will get you access to all my future spreadsheets as well as all the updates to this current one. So right now, my spreadsheet has 3 different modules. One detailing the distribution of my maintenance loan, one to track my net worth, and the last one is to track my cash flow. For my cash flow sheet, I track all my expenditures and income and update my bank account balance accordingly. I update this every week or every couple of days, depending on how busy I am. Normally, I have a graph to the right of the table plotting my cash flow, but recently I restarted the spreadsheet for uni, so there hasn't been enough data to implement this graph, which is why you should follow me on Twitter, as I will add the graph in an updated spreadsheet in the future. I highly recommend you plot your weekly spending, as it helps you visualize your spending and kind of be more mindful of it from week to week. This acts more like a reminder on and makes you more like wary of what you're actually spending on. I also categorize my spending on, for example, like food or like going out, stuff like that. I do this monthly as it helps me to see if I'm overspending or underspending on certain categories. For example, if in a month I spend £150 on going out, then that would indicate to me, oh, I'm going out way too much and I'm spending too much time on this, and perhaps I should be spending more time on my uni work, business, and like YouTube. Lastly, there are 2 other sheets that help me allocate my budget, and that's the maintenance loan spreadsheet and the net worth tracker. So this is a maintenance loan sheet, and I use it to set guidelines for how much I should be spending on each category, and I compare my spending on each category with the average students. This really helps me prevent overspending in specific categories, as it really indicates to me when I should cut back on specific things. I've also inserted a pie chart of what the average student spends according to savethestudents.org. This helps me compare myself to the average student and see who's like doing things more efficiently. It also helps me a little bit with coming up with new video ideas. For example, if I were to spend a lot less in a specific category, it might be an idea to make a video about how I do things in that category. If you believe this is a clever way of doing things, please give this video a like and subscribe to become a richer student. Lastly, there is a net worth tracker. It's pretty standard, like plotting my net worth from month to month. It's basically negative right now because of student maintenance and loans and like the actual tuition fee loans. But I feel like seeing that negative of my net worth will really help me to kind of make myself work harder and like push myself to improve that over time. I've been tracking my net worth since the start of this year, and I have to say it has really helped me like kind of think about and be more mindful of when I'm spending on big items. For example, before I purchase a piece of expensive technology, I would think, oh, how much would that depreciate and how much would I actually be losing on my net worth? I hope you guys found this really helpful, and please do give this spreadsheet a chance, as I really think it can seriously help a lot of you guys out. So thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys have found this useful, as I know there's other videos out there already telling you to like set targets and like track your spending, but no one really ever tells you this is how you do it and this is why you should do it. Please share this video with all your other friends at uni, as if you have found this useful, I'm sure they will do too. When I sat down to make this video, I really wanted to kind of like set this video apart from others, and I did actually go ahead and watch like a lot of other similar videos to this, and I truly believe this video will be the best video out there in terms of student budgeting. So please go ahead and implement this spreadsheet in your life. It's completely free, and if you don't like it, just, don't use it. But please do give it a shot. Especially the net worth tracker and the maintenance loan spreadsheet, as I do really think that they will help you decrease your spending drastically. Budgeting has been a topic that I've been itching to talk about, as it is something that a lot of people just get horribly wrong. I want to start making videos on how to make money rather than how to save money soon, but I just need to work on my strategies a little bit more before I'm comfortable with sharing them to you guys. Stay subscribed for that. Please comment down below any advice that you want to share with me or others watching this video. Your opinion is appreciated. See you guys next week.